Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Baby Yoda. Alright, so I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to start by drawing his two great big eyes. So they're kind of like the shape of like a lemon. So two great big lemon shapes. Okay, now I'm going to do a circle there and a little circle there. Same on the other side. And then I'm going to color everything else in black. Okay. So now I'm going to do a cute little nose. So I just did like one little curved line and then a little curved line underneath. And now he's going to have kind of a bumpy, lumpy head. I'm going to come on down and give him a big cheek. And another big cheek. And now the bottom of his face, we're not going to quite draw that in. We're going to do the collar of his shirt. So this here, this line, that's not the bottom of his face. It's the collar of his shirt. Or his cloak, jacket. Okay, so we got a little line there. Next, we're going to make like a little bump, a little wave. And then we got another little hill there. And then it's going to come on over squiggly style. And then I'll do a little squiggly in there. And now I'm going to give little Yoda, little Baby Yoda, a cute smile. Okay. Okay, now he's going to have a little sleeve. And another little sleeve. And it's going to come on down. And we're going to come on down on this side. And we're going to make a little squiggly bottom here for the bottom of his little cloak. And his little hands, he's going to have like those little claw nails on each finger. So we got a little thumb there. And then we'll have a little finger. Come on in. And same on the other side. So we got a little claw. And another little claw. So of course he's got more than just two little fingers, but you can't see them because they're in behind. Now his great big ears. So we'll do a straight line and come on in. Same on this side. Big straight line and come on in there. All right. Now I'm going to do another line like that. And another line matches up to there. Now his coat has, or cloak, we've got a straight line down here, another line going down here. Alrighty, so I think it's time to add some color. So for our cute little Baby Yoda, we need like a tan color for his clothing, and of course his skin. His color is green. So let's color him in. I'm gonna put a little bit of a peachy color here, lining this ear spot here on both ears. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Okay. Now I'm going to color everything else in green on his cute little body. All right, everyone, so we are done our cute little Baby Yoda. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.